The wolf picked up the sausage and stuffed it into his mouth. The next second the sausage turned into a hemp rope. Hunger made him unable to distinguish reality. In this bitter winter, he had neither firewood for the season nor any food. Starving, he didn't know if he could survive the day. He wanted to go out searching for food, but the moment he opened the door, the blizzard blew him far away. He pulled out his umbrella to shield himself, but the umbrella was shattered. This made him realize leaving to find food was impossible. Turning his head, he spotted corn on the table. Overjoyed, he took a bite, but his mouth filled with sawdust, snapping him back to reality. He sank into despair. Just then, a knock sounded at the door. A rabbit had arrived at his home, lost in the snowy wilderness. It saw the light and wanted to come in to shelter from the blizzard. The wolf saw the rabbit and instantly devised a recipe for a dish. Just as he was reveling in this plan, the cold made him sneeze. The rabbit immediately took off his scarf and wrapped it around the wolf's neck. This sudden warmth left the wolf flustered. The rabbit even lit the fireplace to warm him further. Together they set the table, making the room feel even cozier. Yet the wolf never abandoned his plan to eat the rabbit. Finally, staring at the boiling water, he wrestled fiercely with himself. With his last shred of reason, he drove the rabbit out. 3 hours later, the rabbit and his mother discovered the wolf lying on the ground, barely clinging to life. Out of gratitude, they brought him home, fed him, and soaked his feet to warm his body.